students of Standard 7, you have already studied about Europe. This is the revision class for you again. So, today you are going to learn chapter 7, Europe part 1, the location and size of Europe. If you see the size of Europe, it is the 6th largest continent in the world. Though it is a small continent, it has influenced the history of the world and also influenced the economic condition of the world. Now also it is influencing. If you see the history of all the continents, many continents were discovered by the Europeans, and first of all, Europeans ruled all over the world in many continents and countries. Here, many colonies were set up by Europeans in different continents. Now also, the world and the history of the world is being transformed due to the influence by the Europeans. So, if you see the location of Europe, it is located in the west of Asia, the largest continent in the world. And if you see its size and shape, it is an elongated continent and surrounded by large water bodies on 3 sides. So, it is a peninsula. If you see its surrounding, in the north, Arctic Ocean, in the west, North Atlantic Ocean, and in the south, Mediterranean Sea. Only the east and southeastern part is the part and mainland of Asia. In the east, Ural mountain separates Europe from Asia. In the southeast, Caspian Sea, Caucasus mountain, Black Sea, and in the south, Mediterranean Sea is separating Europe from Africa. So, if you look at the whole continent, it stretches from 35 degree north latitude to 73 north latitude, and from west to east it stretches from 25 degree west longitude to 65 degree east longitude. As you are seeing the map, look at the map. As it is a peninsula, it has many peninsulas. In the north, Scandinavian Peninsula. In the west, Iberian Peninsula. In the southern part, Italian Peninsula and Balkan Peninsula. And because of these many peninsulas, Europe is termed or known as the Peninsula of Peninsulas. So, Europe has very long indented coastline, and that is why there are many natural harbors which are very good for navigation. So, do remember the location of Europe, located to the west of Asia and surrounded by water bodies on 3 sides. Only in the east it is located and the mainland west from Asia. Do learn it. Thank you.